guys, this is another video with Jasmine Chat here, and today I will be going Animal Jam. Oh. Animal Jam is basically an online game where people gather, play games to find gems. Yeah, I'm not a member. This account is, but it's my friend's, but I don't go on it because I can't. It's hers and she won't let me. It's mine. Whoops, wrong one. Sorry if my computer doesn't make me sound right and slowly, because it's really annoying when I listen to them over and over again. Right, this is me. Oh my god. Yay! Finally go on it. I'm gonna try and get a crowd of people at my house because I'm recording it. Hi guys, come to my den. I'm recording now. See how many people come. If you look over here, there'll be a number here, how many people come are here. My little dance. Oh my god, there's no one. No one. Okay. I'll go on a game which is super cool. It's like the best game that I know, which is called Best Dressed. It's basically a game where lots of different people dress up and see who's the best at dressing. I'm waiting for the next round. This is my first time recording, so don't judge me or anything. I've only just found this website today, how you record your own web thingy, but whatever you call it. You record your own screen. Yeah. Just waiting. It's almost done. You see them wings there? It'll almost be done soon. I want to hurry up. Guys, if you want to get Animal Jam, my name, just type in, you will find that your friends column will be up here. If you click on it, go and search. My name is JazzyBella28. You find me as a rabbit or a wolf. Guess I'm almost like a hero, that's easy. Go white stars. Blue and red. The hero would wear one of these. No. I'm not wearing anything for my neck. Have a timer as well. So, yep, 9. Oh, yeah, 10 minutes. There we go. And there, you can tell. Fashion. There's also these smiley faces down here. Yeah. First, second, third. I didn't even get chosen. Did any of these? Everyone voted for that one. Yes. That's weird. That's the work. What shall I wear? Not that. Fine, I'll wear it. Tie would be good for work. Uniform. Why am I just wearing blue? Change the colours around a bit. Fine. There we go. I'm done. This is the last game. I'm just showing you a few of the games. Yeah. I'll show you another game which is my favourite. Now I'll go to this one. It's called Falling Phantoms. Haha. First, second, third. 0 votes. Goodbye. Yeah, I'll see if I can show you this area here. Yep, it's not full. Loads of people like join here. I'll show you where else you can go. You can go into the diamond shop, that you need diamonds for when you remember. Again, like, not store, a game place. This is where mostly people get adopted for some reason. Me, mum, no. Adopt me is cat. Adopt me is cat is very playful. Losers. Sorry if you two are watching this. Especially that one. 3, 4. Dance around like a lunatic. All these like pets are cool if you're on that like on the straight line. Hamsters, why the hell would there be a hamster? Yeah. Let me go to Falling Phantoms. I can't be bothered to like make my way around all of the shops. Like, can't be bothered. Even though I'm on it now, but can't be bothered to get there because it's right next to me. Yep, right next to me. Game parlour, I should call it. And there's no Falling Phantoms, which is that's best dressed. La 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 la. Falling Phantoms. Play. We've got the Dodge Phantoms that fall from the volcano, which is here. Yeah, sorry if it's a bit laggy. One person down already from the first Phantom. Whoa, 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 whoa. And this little bunny here. Oh, I just died. 4th place, so next new game. We'll play a few of these rounds because they're really short. Flying, you get all sorts when you're members. After this, please subscribe to my channel if you liked it. If you want to go on Animal Jam yourself, you've got to go on a PC, and I've just died at 4th place again. It's got to be on a PC. It won't work on any other electronics like phones, iPads, Kindles, tablets, any of that stuff. Yeah. So let's play this game without getting caught. Some people are down already. I'm not going to be 4th place this time because there's 3 people left. I could win this, but I don't think I will. I'm really rubbish at this game normally, but sometimes I win. One down. A few more to go. Die, that other person. No, don't follow me. Don't follow me. Stop following me. Guy. Oh, good die. Oh, that. Wait, 1st place. Yay. Right, I'm not gonna go on that because it's really annoying. So, yeah. Ooh, I haven't showed you my den, have I? I think I have, but I'm just gonna end it there. I've got pets over here. I've got all these plushies. I'm gonna go to the wolves only party and see what it's like. Oh yeah, it's you could get this dead, right? Like same as this. Just gonna go on the claw, see if I get anything. I'll give one go because it's really hard to get these. No, goodbye. You go too near here, you get really hot and you turn red. It's near lava. Come over here, this person's already like red hot. Sorry if you can't hear me, and yeah, I'm red hot now. So yeah, I'll actually end it here as my wolf. Stop going over there.